Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Don't skip. Have you ever wondered what really catches a woman's attention? The moment you walk into a room, most men believe it's all about flashy looks, a perfect six-pack or a fat wallet. But let me tell you something surprising. Those aren't the game changers. You think they are sure they might help, but they're far from the full picture. The truth is, women notice certain things about you that you may not even realize you're showing. It's not just about how you look, it's about how you carry yourself, how you interact with others, and even the way you speak or smile. These seemingly small, almost invisible details can make a powerful impression, sparking instant attraction and intrigue without you saying a single word. And here's the kicker. The things women notice first aren't as obvious as you might think. Some are subtle, while others are downright surprising. But once you know what they are, you'll have the tools to stand out in any crowd, create a magnetic presence, and leave her wanting to know more. So what are these hidden qualities that grab a woman's attention like a magnet? Today, we're revealing 12 key traits that women instantly notice in men. Stay tuned, because the last few points are absolute game changers. And trust me, you'll want to hear them before we dive in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give this video a like. Now let's uncover the secrets that could change your life forever. 1. Your lesson number 1. Face. The face is often the first thing a woman notices about a man. And it's not just about being conventionally handsome. Women pay attention to how well you take care of yourself. A neat, clean appearance with groomed facial hair and styled hair shows you respect yourself and care about how present to the world. It's less about looking like a Hollywood star and more about maintaining basic grooming. For example, trimmed eyebrows, a clean shave, or a well-maintained beard and fresh, healthy skin can make a huge difference. Studies suggest that women associate facial grooming with responsibility, confidence, and attention to detail. This effort doesn't go unnoticed. It signals that you're someone who values self-care and hygiene, which universally attractive traits. Additionally, subtle cues like eye contact and facial expressions matter. A warm, inviting expression can make you seem approachable and friendly, instantly drawing attention on the flip side. Neglecting your appearance can send the message that you're careless or indifferent. So if you want to make a strong impression, start with the basics. Clean up, take care of your skin, and ensure your hairstyle suits you. Women notice, and it sets the tone for everything else. 2. Your conversational skills. A man who knows how to hold a conversation is magnetic. Women love engaging discussions that spark their curiosity, showcase intelligence, and allow them to connect on a deeper level. Your ability to communicate effectively says a lot about your confidence, emotional intelligence, and personality. Good conversationalists don't just talk, they listen, pay close attention to what she's saying, and respond thoughtfully. Ask meaningful questions that show genuine interest in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. This creates a sense of mutual respect and makes her feel valued. A witty sense of humour is another essential ingredient, making her laugh. Not only puts her at ease, but also creates a memorable bond. Women often associate humour with intelligence and charm, which adds to your appeal. On the flip side, poor conversational skills like interrupting, dominating the discussion, or coming off as disinterested can quickly turn her off practice. The art of acting listening and maintaining eye contact while speaking. Remember, a great conversation isn't just about words, it's about connection. When you can engage her mind and emotions, you stand out in ways that go beyond appearance. 3. Your smile. A genuine smile is one of the most powerful tools in attracting attention. It's simple yet incredibly effective in making you seem more approachable, friendly, and confident. When you smile sincerely, you immediately create a welcoming atmosphere that draws people in. including women, often notice a lesson. Number 2, smile within the first few seconds of meeting someone. A warm, relaxed smile gives off an energy of positivity and comfort, signaling that you're at ease with yourself and the situation. This doesn't mean you need to walk around grinning all the time, but being mindful of smiling when interacting with others can work wonders beyond making you approachable. A smile can also foster trust and open up the opportunity for deeper conversations. It's contagious too when you smile. Others are more likely to smile back, which can create a sense of connection. Women find this attractive because it shows that you are comfortable in your own skin and confident enough to put others at ease. In short, never underestimate the power of a smile. It's a simple yet effective way to leave a lasting positive impression and spark deeper interactions. 4, your style and grooming. The way you dress speaks volumes before you even say a word. Your clothing choices are one of the first things women will notice, and they can reveal a lot about your personality tastes and confidence. It's not about wearing expensive designer clothes. It's about dressing in a way that reflects your individuality and shows that you care about how you present yourself. Well-fitting clothes that suit your body type and personality immediately convey self-respect. Women notice if you put thought into your outfits, whether it's a smart shirt and trousers or casual wear that fits well and looks sharp. The key is ensuring that your style reflects who you are. A man who dresses well demonstrates confidence and attention to detail, and that is undeniably attractive. Lesson 3, your grooming habits are just as important. Maintaining clean nails, a fresh haircut, and a polished look shows that you take pride in your appearance. Ultimately, your style and grooming tell women that you value yourself, which is a trait that they find highly appealing. 5, your personality and energy. Your personality is one of the most significant things women notice. It's not just about being outgoing or funny, it's about having a genuine and engaging presence. Women are often drawn to men who exude confidence, kindness, and mystery all at once. It's about striking the right balance between being approachable and intriguing. Confidence is key, and not the overbearing kind, but the kind that shows you are comfortable in your own skin and unafraid to be yourself. This kind of confidence makes you stand out, not just in a crowd, but in her mind. Women love men who are comfortable with who they are, as it signals emotional maturity and self-assuredness. However, being too predictable can often turn women off. They're often attracted to men who bring a sense of mystery and unpredictability, someone who keeps them guessing without being rude or distant. A touch of mystery is incredibly attractive because it leaves room for curiosity. Ultimately, the energy you bring into a room can make all the difference. A positive, confident vibe is magnetic and can draw women in without having to say a word. 6, how you treat others. Women are incredibly observant when it comes to how you treat the people around you. One of the first things they'll notice is how you interact with those who can't offer you anything in return, like service staff, children, or elderly people. The way you treat these individuals speaks volumes about your character and your emotional maturity. Being kind, respectful, and considerate to everyone you encounter, regardless of their status, is a sign of a well-rounded, compassionate person. Women find this highly attractive because it shows that you have empathy and emotional intelligence. It's a reflection of how you might treat them in a relationship, making kindness a key trait that stands out. This doesn't mean you have to go out of your way to be a saint, but small gestures of respect, like holding the door open, thanking someone sincerely, or treating the waiter with courtesy, can make a huge difference. These small acts often don't go unnoticed and will leave a lasting positive impression. Treating others with kindness isn't just about showing decency, it's about demonstrating maturity and values that women find deeply attractive. 7, the tone of your voice. Your voice carries a lot of weight in attraction. Women pay close attention to how you speak, and the tone of your voice can either pull them in or push them away. A confident, calm, and steady voice is much more appealing than one that's too quiet or too loud. When your voice is soft and steady, it conveys self-assurance and composure. On the other hand, if you speak too quietly, it might suggest insecurity, while speaking too loudly could come off as trying too hard to grab attention. Women are naturally drawn to a man who speaks with purpose and bad balance, as it indicates confidence and self-possession. It's also essential to consider your speech is pacing a man who speaks thoughtfully, and at a moderate pace is easier to listen to and comes across as more articulate and intelligent. So focus on finding the right balance. A tone that is clear, calm and confident will always win over a woman's attention. Your voice is a powerful tool. Use it wisely and will leave an impression that resonates long after the conversation ends. 8. Your attention to her. One of the most powerful things you can do to capture a woman's interest is give her your full attention when you make her feel like she's the only person in the room. It leaves a lasting impression being fully engaged in a conversation without distractions. Like checking your phone or looking around shows respect and creates a deeper connection. Women notice when you make them feel special and valued. The ability to focus on her, listen attentively, and respond perspective. This is far more attractive than pretending to listen or offering shallow responses when you give her your undivided attention. It fosters a sense of intimacy and trust, which can strengthen the bond between you. Women want to feel like they matter, and showing genuine interest in them will set you apart from others. So next time you're with a woman, try to be present in the moment. Your attention will not only make her feel seen, but will make you unforgettable. 9. Your body language. Body language is a silent yet powerful form of communication. How you carry yourself in a room speaks volumes about your confidence, mood, and overall energy. Women pay close attention to body language, noticing things like posture gestures and how you hold yourself in space. A man who stands tall with relaxed shoulders and an open stance signals self-assurance and comfort. Confident body language can be as simple as maintaining eye contact during a conversation or using natural hand gestures. While speaking, these cues make you seem more approachable and composed. On the flip side, closed-off body language, such as crossing your arms or avoiding eye contact, can suggest insecurity or discomfort. Women are more likely to be drawn to men who exude positive body language because it suggests emotional stability and openness. Your body language can either invite connection or shut it down. So be mindful of your posture and movements. When you radiate confidence, women will be naturally drawn to your energy. 10. Your physical fitness and health. While you don't need to be a bodybuilder to catch a woman's eye, physical fitness is still an important factor in attraction. Women are naturally drawn to men who take care of their health, as it indicates discipline, self-respect, and an active lifestyle. Maintaining physical fitness doesn't mean having chiseled ABS or huge muscles. It's about having a healthy body that reflects your commitment to living a balanced life. Regular exercise, eating nutritious foods, and taking care of your body signal that you value longevity and vitality. Taking care of your health is also attractive because it suggests you're capable of handling stress, staying active, and maintaining an energetic lifestyle. It shows that you're not just physically attractive, but also mentally strong and self-disciplined by investing in your fitness and health. You not only improve your physical appearance, but also your overall well-being, making you a more attractive and confident individual. 11. Your scent is one of the most powerful senses in human attraction. Women immediately notice a man's fragrance, and it can leave a lasting impression. A pleasant scent can evoke feelings of warmth, familiarity, and even intimacy. It's a subtle but crucial detail that speaks to your personal hygiene and attention to detail. A fresh, appealing cologne or the sense of clean skin can enhance your attractiveness and make you unforgettable. On the flip side, a bad smell, whether it's body odor or overpowering cologne, can quickly turn. Someone off scent is deeply connected to memory and emotion, often triggering powerful subconscious reactions. A woman might associate your scent with positive feelings, which can amplify attraction. So invest in a fragrance that complements your style and personality and make sure your overall hygiene is on point. The right scent can not only draw her in, but also leave a lasting impression long after you've parted ways. 12. Your hands. Women often pay attention to a man's hands, as they can tell a lot about his personality and lifestyle. Well-groomed hands suggest attention to detail, cleanliness, and self-care. Whether your hands are rough from hard work or soft and smooth, from a meticulous grooming routine, they give insights into your character. How you use your hands also matters. Are you expressive with gestures during conation, or do you keep them stiff and closed off? How you use your hands can indicate how comfortable and confident you are in yourself. Hands that are clean, well-manicured and strong can signal masculinity and care. Rough hands may suggest hard work and strength, while manicured hands reflect a more polished detail or oriented side. Women notice the subtlety of these details and can form judgments based on your hands. So pay attention to your hand care. Keep them clean and tidy after all. They're an often overlooked feature that can speak volumes about you. There you have it, the 12 things women notice first. About men, by paying attention to these details, you can instantly improve your presence and leave a lasting impression. Remember, it's not just about physical appearance, it's about how you carry yourself, how you treat others, and how you engage with the world around you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a like and hit the notification bell, so you never miss out on more insights like these. Stay confident, stay true to yourself, and make every first impression unforgettable. See you in the next video.